So hello guys, today I am testing and show. Can we really make our complete YouTube video using AI tools or not? So let's begin. For making my video I used only AI websites. So first of all I use Chat GPT for my YouTube video script on any topic. For example, write a YouTube video script on the Indian stock market. Chat GPT give you the from intro to outro script with proper information. Now this is not enough to make impactful video. We need something that many of the people do not know about the topic. So we again ask to Chat GPT to tell something not many people know. I wanted to make small length video for demonstration. So I choose only highlighted points. Now after completing this I want an AI website which convert text to speech. You can use any free AI website for this and choose your preferable voice for video. Download it. Now we are come to very important phase of the video. Now we have to convert our text into the video. In this video I use Renderforest website which converts text to video. You can use any website like Veet.io. You can choose any template according to your video topic. Just like I use whiteboard animation. Type your text and the website automatically create of it. You can also use some website like pexels.com or Unsplash for adding some short clips to enhance your video quality. Now our video is ready. Let's see how good is our video. You can also comment it down how you like the video made by AI. Welcome to our video on understanding the Indian stock market. India has one of the fastest growing economies in the world. The Indian stock market operates just like any other stock market in the world. Companies list their shares on the stock exchange. Investors can buy and sell those shares based on supply and demand. Successful investing in the Indian stock market requires patience and discipline. It has a unique market structure known as the circuit breaker system. This system is designed to curb excessive volatility in the market by automatic halting trading. Thank you for watching our video on understanding the Indian stock market. We hope you now have a better understanding of how the market works and how you can invest successfully. So, it's all up to you guys. Comment it down. Do you like video made by AI? And at the last, if you want more amazing video, please subscribe our channel.